You got a little smelly for that. It was pretty impressive. Flex everything, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Can I come in?
Oh yeah.
You got a little lift, a big lift. Cool off for a minute if that's okay. If you can tell me your name and what's in here first.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead, man.
Yep. So it's two ZV6 18s on two JP63s at 0.5 gain match, 105 yin long, and a 400 magnets.
Okay. Seats too.
Does a 55.
That is a pretty fancy box.
Oh yeah. Not too much has changed since Ruckus.
I think I remember hearing this before a year or two ago.
Yeah.
Any SPL test on it?
Yeah, it does a 55.
55, wow,
Yes,
okay.
At 38.
Awesome. You happy with it?
Yeah, pretty happy.
Have you ever tried, I got a couple questions.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried to invert the subs to kind of see what they did?
Never. I don't think I'd have enough room there.
No? Oh, the motors might.
Yeah. Because it's like the motors would flip that top piece sometimes.
Yes, sir. And are the amps strapped or gain matched? Gain matched? Okay.
Yeah, at 0.5 each.
Okay. And have you done any roof work to kind of contain that pressure and the flex?
Nothing on the roof.
Okay.
Just the hatch in the front.
Just the hatch, okay.
Yeah, front door.
Any goals on this? Anything you're going to improve or change or work on a vehicle or system at all?
Yeah, I want to do a 60, and it's, all this is going to come out. It's going to be 4 JP63s and 4 of the ZV6s.
Okay. So are you going to stay no wall or are you going to go to like a B or a C?
It's going to be a B.
E-pillar. Oh, so you're going from 55 no wall to 60 plus wall.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Okay. Is it right if I check out the back box and all? Wow. I remember this box now.
Yeah,
this is the special Sapili wood.
Got it.
This is cool. Wow. Looks really good. And did you build this?
Yep.
Okay. This is the boat wood.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, you remember.
I remember. I've seen a couple thousand, but yeah.
Yeah.
Not very many systems use this type of wood quality.
Not many. It's pretty hot.
Did you use 4x8 sheet and cut it to size?
Yeah, 4x8.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 sheets.
Where'd you get it at?
A local, lumberyard.
Lumberyard, okay.
Yeah.
Subs get a little warm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Touch it.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
A little warm. Yeah.
We'll shoot.
About 150?
Not even.
Not even that.
120.
120. And that's at the cone. The coil's hotter.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, 120s ain't too bad, but it got a little warm. I remember one time I saw a guy have 480.
On the cone.
The coil. No, the cone would be probably destroyed.
Yeah, that's not bad.
He had a carbon fiber cone, so it handled it. But,
Yeah.
but anyway, yeah, don't do what I just said. Look at the amps. Is there a way you can kind of show me the back amps here?
The back?
Yeah, so I can see the amplifier. Sorry about that.
Let me,
So you're able to have 5 or 4 people in here
oh yeah.
until you do the wall system in here. He's about to go to a 160 dB plus wall. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
You good.
not bad. Wow, that looks really good. I'm sorry, man.
You good? You step on it.
Oh, that's good. Wow. It's really good. Did you do any box placement test adjustments to kind of learn the placement of the box at all, or have you just put it there? Or?
Yeah, originally it was forward like 1 more inch, but it picked up just the tiniest bit, like 0.1, 0.2,
Yeah.
going towards the hatch.
Yes, sir. Okay. So that's the sweet spot about where it is.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Max out on space too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Thank you for holding it, man.
Yeah, no worries.
This thing is heavy to where it won't hold
Yeah,
up.
she's heavy.
She probably needs another shop.
So what'd you put all up here?
Oh, that's right. You put
It's,
dead there.
it's like 360 mil.
Okay.
The one layer of 360.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good.
little stand to stand up on, get on. That's pretty cool.
I'll get up with you about that. Thank you.
Are you in or can I go? Oh, okay.
Alright.
In the beginning, we were living, we were tripping, we were so high. When you told me that you love me, were you bluffing? Wasn't nothing, now you're so dry. You can tell me that you're sorry, but I know that you don't mean it, baby. Don't lie, don't lie, baby, don't lie. I can't blame myself again. I'm trying to blame myself.
job. And have you done any roof work to kind of contain that pressure and the flex?
Nothing on the roof.
Okay.
Just the hatch in the front.
Just the hatch, okay.
Yeah, front doors.
Wow. Man, you got a little smelly for that. I appreciate it, man. That was pretty impressive. You know, to float stuff and flex everything, man.
Yeah.
Any goals on this? Anything you're going to improve or change or work on a vehicle or system at all?
Yeah, I want to do a 60, and it's, all this is going to come out. It's going to be 4 JP63s and 4 of the ZV6s.
Okay. So are you going to stay no wall, or are you going to go to like a B or a
It's
C?
going to be a B.
E-pillar. Oh, so you're going from 55 no wall to 60 plus wall.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Okay, wow. Well, I guess appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Your name again?
Chris.
Chris. Thank you, Chris.